Meron silang mga dupe ng Dior. Gucci, wow! Ayaw daw niya mag-buy ng umiyak. So good morning, Squeezy. So today is free day. So we're just gonna buy pasalubong for our friends in Benton Market. So that's the market. Flower baby. Yeah, we can start in the middle.
So dito pa lang sa labas mga Swissie, there are lots of handcrafted products na pwede for pasalubong.
Actually, yeah, you don't have friends? We have friends. Ayaw daw niya mag-buy ng umiyak. Kakalo. Meron silang mga dupe ng Dior. Gucci, wow, Celine. They have a dupe of everything.
Grabe mga Swissie, sobrang laki ng market na to. Meron silang mga clothes, pagkain, may mga shoes, pangpasalubong. Parang lahat ng gusto nyong hanapin nandito na. At dahil nahihilig nga tayo ngayon sa painting mga Swissie, yun yung hinahanap ko ngayon para sa bahay.
But that's the things I like, right?
After namin namili mga Swissie, syempre kakain muna tayo ng lunch.
Are you gonna eat rice? Anything? Okay, just eat rice for me. And then, sweet and sour.
At dahil nahihilig ako dito mga Swissie, so my orders are sweet and sour pork, mango shake, of course, rice, and pineapple juice. Let's eat Swissies!
Hi, love. I love you.
At dahil nalibot na namin lahat ng tourist spot nung day 1 mga Swissie, wala na kaming ibang mapuntahan kundi Saigon Zoo and Botanical Gardens.
Hi.
So napansin ko lang mga Swissie, parang hindi na masyadong nalilinis itong Saigon Zoo and Botanical Gardens.
Ang daming dahon kasi sa baba, guys. Parang hindi nalinis.
Tapos yung ibang mga animal cage, tapos yung ibang structure, parang hindi na siya masyadong napipinturahan or na-maintain. Parang itong monkey cage mga Swissie, sobrang dumi. At sana man lang ma-repaint.
Hi! He's depressed. I don't wanna move. Hi!
Porcupine.
There?
Yeah, porcupine.
And there's one more little big monkey. There.
Look, baby. Wait. He was over there.
Liar. Ah, there! Oh! Oh my god!
That's good.
That's the one I'm talking about. So they also have elephant. Here is the elephant. Sometimes monkey, sometimes elephant. Wanna see your peacock? Your peacock. Ah, that's real.
That's it.
Hindi kayo nakita guys, mayroong pelican. That's a pelican, right?
No, it's not.
What's that then?
Oh,
That's a pelican, baby.
I was thinking of flamingos.
Akala ko ano lang siya, statue. Is there more? And there's a big... Ow!
That was it.
Nagtago siya.
Show it.
Dun sa loob. Sorry guys. Merong tiger dito kanina. Pumasok dun sa butas. Next tayo.
There, lumabas na siya guys. Ayun. Kaso mga Swissy, parang ang payat na niya. Nakakaawa man mga Swissy, kaso lang hindi ko naman maipapasara itong zoo. Dahil sino ba naman ako, di ba?
Hindi ko sure kung mag-isa lang siya guys, pero siya pa lang yung nakikita ko dito. Sa kulungan na to, mag-isa. So parang ang sad naman nun, kasi syempre wala siyang kasama. Who wants that, right? So meron ding mga turtles dito. Ayun, swimming sila. Hi! Turtles! Or maybe they speak Vietnamese. Wow! Wow! That one is scary. Ang katakot naman dito guys, para tayo nasa Jumanji. It likes Jumanji. You know the Jumanji? Hehe, I'm scared. What if there's one over here?
O di ba mga Swissy, ang dami ng mga dahon na nagkalat? Siguro kung maayos lang itong lugar, sobrang laki ng potential nito.
Takbo tayo eh. Oh, now, there's no human out here. Wala nang tao kahit isa. There's no people. Oh, there. We've been with that tiger, right? Is that a different one? So, hindi ko alam kung totoo. Pero diba sabi nila, kapag ka daw yung tiger or yung animals just roaming circles dun sa cage niya, naghahanap daw yan ng exit.
Grabe mga Swissy, parang ang payat na niya. Sana naman nakakakain sila ng maayos, no? So mga Swissy, meron ding white tiger na lumilibot dito sa kanyang cage. And last mga Swissy, and last they have this old chimpanzee. So yun lang mga Swissy, parang nalibot na namin lahat. Bye-bye!